There's my spare tire. There's no spare, what the mess? There's no spare tire. The tire's gone. This is the rollover support. So since this is a convertible and this roof is very soft, if this car were to roll over.
Hey Project Fam, yeah, I still can't believe there's no spare tire. All right, so this video is going to be all about the plan. This is the first night inside the garage, so stay tuned. And again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
That's why I'm getting that message. I like it. See the messages? Air fill, airbag failure, because there's no airbag in either door. And lastly, refill washer. The entire washing unit is gone. I mean, it's just in a box. I have, it's part of the process, but I wanted to show you something I learned tonight. So first of all, I'm gonna need some light. Let's get some light. So I know very little about this car, but what I do know is that this rear spoiler was up and I couldn't figure out how to get it down. So after cleaning out the car, I opened up the glove compartment, and inside the glove compartment was this manual, and I read the manual and I figured out how to put the spoiler down. So this is what you do. Right underneath here, right, there's the button down there. So when you press this button, all right, let's see if I can, after I press the button, see the spoiler going up and down back there? See it? And that's how it looks with the spoiler down. That is so clean. So I went around the car, I figured out what I need, and I priced out these taillights. So that's a must. The door, I'm actually going to start assembling both doors to figure out what I need, because right now I don't know what I need. I know that this is the side mirror connector, so I'll get the side mirrors ordered for both sides. And I think I'm gonna start there. I'm gonna start with the side mirror. I'm gonna start with both fenders. I'm gonna take the fenders off. I will take off the front bumper and just look and see if there are any broken internals, and then start bringing all the pieces that I have, all the puzzle pieces to this car, bring it, lay it right down in the middle, and try and figure out where all this goes. These struts were replaced. You know, that's not an expensive item, but it's nice that they did that because, oh, that's so sleek. Because when I go to the front, or the front trunk, and I open these, right? This hood just wants to close, it wants to close on me, see? It wants to close. So what I'll have to do is I'll replace both of those hood struts, and there's the tire. All right, let me make sure this thing doesn't close on me first. There's my spare tire. There's no spare, what the mess? There's no spare tire. The tire's gone. Somebody stole my tire. So now I have to get a spare tire. Find a spare tire to go underneath there. Gosh darn it, they took my doggone tire. That's just more money I gotta spend. No problem, no problem. It's good I know this now. So what I'm gonna do is, I figured out the majority of the expensive parts that I need, but I cannot order all of these parts at once because they just cost so much. So what I'll do is, every week I'll tackle a project, and when that project is ready for me to tackle, then I'll order the part. Like this is the rollover support. So since this is a convertible and this roof is very soft, if this car were to roll over, the roof would just crush, right? There would be no support. So what you have on both sides, you have rollover supports. There's one on this side and one on this side. So if this car were to roll over, this support would be on the ground. So what I have to do is I have to push that support down back where it belongs. I read that in the book as well. And I tell you, this looks really good. I'm just going to put some leather cleaner on the seat. You can see the bolster is starting to get a little beat up, but this is an extra. I don't want to change these seats because this is an extra right here. This is really cool. So all in all, this thing looks really good. Let me take the key out. Yep, put the key in the seat and get started. So tonight, you know, before I even start tackling this car, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up my garage around the area so I can have some room to walk. And then I'm gonna hoist the car in the air. And oh, here's my battery. So this is the battery. This is the reason why I had so much of a challenge getting this car back from Texas. That's where I bought this from. I bought it from Texas and it would not start. So I had to buy a battery, bought a battery first thing this morning, put it in, and everything was fine. The old battery, I tried to charge it. You know, I don't just want to spend money for batteries. So I tried to put a slow charge on it, but it didn't keep the charge. So I got rid of the old battery, got a new battery, and everything has been really good since then. And that's all I have. All right, let's see what we have in here. Oh, this doesn't, look at this. What is this? Is that supposed to be just hanging out like that? Oh boy. I gotta figure out what belongs there. All right, let's see what's in this container besides my ashy hands. All right, this looks like some type of a hook. And this is a jack. Okay, that actually makes sense. So what we have is, let's set that down. Put this in here. All right, set it down and jack the car up. This is how you change a tire. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad. All right, let's put it down. See what else we have in here. What is this? Somebody laundry? Why would you? What is going on? Somebody keeps a laundry bag in the trunk? That's odd. I'll use it though. What's this? This is hand weed. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are gloves. So okay, so these are gloves to have. Okay, nice. And this is my tools. This is what I was looking for. I need this to put the rollover support down. Somebody took the doggone tire. Gosh darn it. What you gonna do with a tire? Sell it? Like, that's ridiculous. Come on, man.
Yeah, some of this stuff just really does not make any sense. Nevertheless, yeah, we can figure it out. Yeah, I gotta get this garage clean. This garage is an absolute mess. I can't work on a car in this garage. Either way, appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't. Tell a friend. Have a lot more cool videos on the way.